morning, everyone. Welcome to Vlogmas day 8. It's Monday morning. It's 7:40. I should be at the gym. There's something wrong with my car. We're taking it to the mechanic at 8 a.m. As soon as they open, I'm gonna take Dylan to work and he is letting me borrow his car, which is really nice because I have to go to work and like run errands. So we have a Christmas party tonight. My day's not quite going to plan, but does it ever? It's 2020, guys. Come on. So yeah, I just got dressed. I have on this little Ralph Lauren. That's Tommy Hilfiger, so that's how my day's going. Tommy Hilfiger little fleece thing. I love this thing. I should get more stuff like this. I should have filmed it this way. The lighting's so much better, but I did my makeup from here up because I wear a mask all morning. Just wanted to update you that it's Monday and things are off to a great start. Hi guys, I just got out of work and I'm gonna head to Trader Joe's because we have our Christmas party tonight and I need to pick up a few things because of a power outage. We had to throw a few things away. So I'm gonna head there. We also just need a few things at Trader Joe's. So I'm gonna do that. I'll do a nice Trader Joe's haul for you when I get home. And then I need to edit and get ready for tonight. 1:30 and the party's at 6:30, so we have 5 hours. That seems like a long time, but I feel like I have a lot to do. Let's go. Stop some Michaels to get some leather. This line is so long. Trader Joe's is a very hard place to vlog in, so I didn't really vlog too much. I got a few clips, but I'm gonna head home, do a little haul, and then I need to edit. Gotta get a video up for tomorrow before we leave for the party tonight, because I know when we get home I'm just gonna wanna go straight to bed. Trader Joe's haul. First bag. We have 3 loaves of gluten-free bread. This is the best. Granted, I haven't tried many. I heard this was the best, so I tried it. The best gluten-free bread. It's the whole grain, gluten-free Trader Joe's in the green package. It's good. Dylan likes it, and he's not gluten-free. Not that I am, I just choose to eat this because it makes me feel better. But Dylan will eat it, so you know that it's not bad. Next up, I got this granola. I've gotten this before. I really like their pecan praline granola, but that one's not gluten-free. And I thought I would try this one again because it is gluten-free. There's a gluten-free theme here right now. I just feel like it doesn't hurt my stomach. It just makes me feel so bloated, so I'm trying not to eat gluten. Organic toasted granola, coconut granola. This is a little more like cereal-y, like when I opened it for the first time. It has like cornflakes kind of, but I don't know, I still really like it. There's other ones there that I was thinking of trying, but because this one's a gluten-free, I went with this one. I got just a can of, or a jar of the authentic salsa. This stuff is so good. Dylan and I have been loving it, so I always just pick up a can. It's like $2. Seltzers for Dylan for the party tonight. Prosecco to bring for the party tonight. Next bag. I was pumped about this. I saw this on Instagram. If you guys don't follow the Trader Joe's, I don't even follow them. They're just on like my popular page. The Trader Joe's and Target like accounts, game changer, but you'll like go spend all your money. Cocoa peppermint flavored almond creamer. What? Stephanie, if you're watching this, you need to try this. I'll let you know how it is. I'm so excited. Next up is just some Greek yogurt, 0% non-fat plain yogurt because Paige is gonna make a tzatziki to go with my little like Greek board tonight, so she needed that. I got more salami because we had to throw ours out from the power being out. They didn't have the burritos I usually get Dylan, but they had these chicken burritos. It just says chicken with beans, tomatoes, and onions. These do not have cheese in them, so Dylan can eat them. They're just in the frozen section. There's 2, he usually eats one at a time. Usually it's the chicken verde ones, but they didn't have those this time. Spicy jalapeno chicken sausage. It's a staple at this point. We love it. Good in pasta dishes, stir fries, on its own, on pizza, anything. Organic jasmine rice. Put this in the freezer. You literally put it in the microwave for like a minute or 2 and you have jasmine rice. It's a game changer. We love this with their orange chicken, which is what we had for dinner last night. This bag is so big. I mean, depending on how much you eat, we usually do half because there's 2 sauce packages. We usually do half. I usually add broccoli to mine, and this is like good for 2 dinners. Just a good thing to have in your freezer when it's like Sunday night, you don't want to cook, and you just throw them together. I got frozen strawberries and frozen blueberries. Love these in my yogurts in the morning. And apparently I got 2 things of chicken sausage. Didn't know that. I guess I'll put this one in the freezer. But that's everything I got. That was, I think, $70, which it doesn't look like a lot, but I did have to get alcohol for tonight, so that adds up. That's everything I got. I'm gonna put it all away and start editing because it's almost 3 o'clock already. So, gotta do that. Plaid in the red or the black in the red?
I'm
gonna do the black and the red because the plaid and the red are on the Yankee swap and then you'll know.
Glad you
Cleared that up. Okay, this is what I ended up with. It doesn't look the best, but it's kind of cute, I guess. I'm gonna put it back in the fridge and then start working on the little hummus board. Need the salami, olives, and hummus. All the veggies. Really trying not to ruin my nails. I have crackers. They're just, I don't even know what. Oh no, now they're probably all broken. Sea salt crisps. Also got these little rosemary and olive oil, which are really good. I've had those before. And I think I'm gonna do it on this little guy. Alright, this is the board. We're gonna do hummus, tzatziki, and olives, but I'm gonna wait till we get there to put those in. Looks so good. I can't wait to eat it. Alright, we are ready to go. I may or may not vlog. I'm a little nervous too, but I don't know. I just forget and then get nervous vlogging around people. I'll try to get a few clips. Definitely of like the food. Definitely maybe. We can't forget the presents.
Oh yeah.
Alright, Paige just reminded me to vlog. We look so red.
I know, we have to retake this.
This is Paige, and we're at her condo for our Christmas party. And luckily no one's figured out because it's like embarrassed to vlog.
We might make this an annual thing.
We should.
I think we should.
I think we should. It's fun. Julia's here too. She's chatting. She's our bartender tonight.
We're having an Italian night. We have some bread,
Even like
salad.
I don't squat heavy at all. My knees just feel terrible.
We have a whole menu.
Yep.
We'll show you guys the spread when it's ready.
Already missed the board, but it's fine. Oh well. Got the spread.
Yeah. Peter was, we had this one kid played with
And then
Peter.
Julia's gluten free.
We called him the sh.
I'll eat some too.
What is it? Buzz.
Hey.
It's like a game. Buzz, warning, this is the drinking game that gets you and your friends tipsy.
Open it up.
Wow, someone sealed that slide. What is it?
Jams and pancake mix. Syrup.
There you go.
They all eat it at breakfast.
Alright.
The game of twisting truths. This is fun.
Honestly, I figured this would be a lot of food, sorry, a lot of liquor and games.
There's liquor and games.
Look at it in a box!
Cocoa mix? I like this. I'm gonna take it from here. Oh. What is that? That is cool. That's really cute.
You want the iPad? You want the iPad?
Give me the
iPod? Yep, you want the iPod. I like that. I can add to our playing card. No, it's ours.
Is that all that's in there?
You're missing.
Oh,
Very.
we were just gonna take the cards.
What is this?
Ornell's gift card.
Ooh, or not. The 8 of us.
Ooh, I was literally just saying I want this game. Uh-oh. Oh, it's a freaking game. It's so fun if we don't switch though, but
Just
keep
keep
it.
it.
Honestly, no one is trading. That is
I
weird.
know.
Everyone likes their gifts.
we picked some good gifts. No way.
Wait, the same gift? Whoa!
That's funny.
Wait, who are the two that brought this game? You guys?
Yeah.
I've never heard of this game. Peanut butter bark, homemade Oreo meatball, Oreo balls.
What?
There's no meat. Just Oreos balls. This platter, Julia, this platter, gluten-free.
Oh, okay.
Gluten-free chocolate chip cookies, and then the classic Pillsbury Christmas trees. So whenever you're ready for dessert,
Oh, it's warm. It's hot.
Wait.
it is hot.